Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some meme coins. And yes, we're going to get pumping here because right now on the charts, crypto is exploding, still continuing its run from what happened with the presidential election. We're seeing a lot of the trickle down effect coming into a lot of the big movers in the top 100. And we're going to touch upon NEIRO again, as well as some of the meme coins out there that I am into. This is going to be a good article video that we're going to dive into because right now we have some big news to talk about. NEIRO just listed on Coinbase. Okay, this is something where we look for 3 consecutive days and reaching its highest level since that pump back on October 15th. Let's get into it. And how high can NEIRO soar? Can we hit a penny? All right, can we hit a penny after the Coinbase listing? Let's get down into it. Let's talk about it. But first, I want to share with you guys what is going on within the crypto bubbles. Before we do, make sure you guys are all liking this video. And if you have not subscribed here on the channel, make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Just a follow. Also follow me on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. And let's talk some meme coins. All right. And here is the top 100. We have moved strongly into the green. NEIRO, another 20% day. This has been an outstanding month, 32.9%. And we're going to dive into the trading view as I show you guys kind of what's going on. Okay. Absolutely insane. Insanity, if you will, as we look back into kind of what's happened since its launch back in September. And NEIRO continues to move upwards, okay? Having very impressive gains, reaching all-time highs. And now the big question is, can NEIRO do almost a 5x and hit 1 penny? Let's get down into it, okay? And before we do, I want to share with you guys kind of what's going on as well, because this is a big narrative here within the meme coins, right? If you guys have been around when we had NEIRO, there was also Ginnan the cat, and this has been a kind of a battle that we've seen back and forth. I do want to touch upon Ginnan real quickly because right now we have seen another strong move, up 17.64% in the last 24 hours. And Ginnan, for my money, at this level here in market cap, they launched back in July and has gotten as high as a 401211. And now with 5 zeros, it's a very similar storyline where can Ginnan 5x from here, $15.37 million market cap. A lot of the stuff that's going on behind the scenes, there's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Ginnan. Obviously not financial advice. I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto, but if you're looking into NEIRO, make sure you guys also have an eye out for Ginnan, because this is a crypto I think that has a little bit of opportunity more so than what we see with NEIRO. If NEIRO can explode and do a 4 or 5x, hit 1 penny, yeah, I think NEIRO is going to be in a very strong position as well. Solana has been booming. I want to share with you guys kind of what Solana has been doing because this is all relevant and does matter. Solana, as we all know, surpassed BNB, now up 1.5% on the day. Very strong week and month, 11 and 32% respectively. That's kind of what we're looking at. Solana reaching $200 once more. If that happens, I expect Ginnan and NEIRO to both see pumps. Check it out. This is kind of playing off the Doge narrative. There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes within kind of what they've secured for the future. There's a lot of good stuff coming in December for Ginnan. So make sure you check it out. And this is where you just have to look at Ginnan on Solana. There is a link in the description if you want to check them out further. Okay. But back into the argument for NEIRO to hit 1 penny. They got Coinbase. That's the big one. Okay. So nearing all-time highs, over 6,900% since its September lowest level. And this is kind of where we're going to have to look to a all-time high to invalidate the double top that we're seeing, which would obviously be a bullish narrative. I'm sorry, a bearish narrative. But we have seen 3 consecutive days of jumps. And this is something where, you can look at a $880 million meme coin market cap. So this is a potential billion-dollar meme coin. And we've always talked about it here in crypto. If you can hit 1 billion, okay, that kind of breaks the seal. All right. And if you hit 1 billion, all bets are off. We have seen Coinbase international listing getting over 20%. And this is a major event. They don't list just anybody, right? Same thing goes for Binance. But this is kind of where we saw after the open interest in the futures market has bounced back after that downtrend that we saw in October, where we have rose to $190 million, the highest level since the day after in October 13th. And they have other listings, all right, Binance, OKX, and BitMEX, just to name a few. But this is something where a lot of traders are bullish on NEIRO. I think this is where we see meme coins absolutely have an incredible surge here, especially with Solana pressing $200. There's a lot of hype. Okay, there is a lot of hype. And the big ones here is Binance and Coinbase. If we can see Kraken, that's where you get millions of users, millions of new wallets. And that's kind of why we are bullish on NEIRO. All right. And that's kind of where we get into that narrative where 1 cent is at a very strong possibility. Okay. Like I said, it's going to be about a 5x from here. The chart is looking super bullish. This is a crypto that really has that narrative. It has the storyline. It has all the meme coin potential. And I think that NEIRO is set up very well for the future, as well as Ginnan. So we're going to look at it, but we need to flip that resistance at 23, at the 23 level. That's kind of the all-time high needed to flip what we've seen. And this is something where we do invalidate the double top pattern. A very strong move would possibly take NEIRO into the 0030 level. And that is where it's going to be very bullish. And then we're just steps away from hitting that all of a sudden, boom, 4x from there. And then we're way over 1 cent, and then NEIRO is going to absolutely pump in 2025. So it may be news to you guys if you are not invested in any of these cryptos that we mentioned in this video. However, I do see some very strong plays, some huge whale activity. The narratives are there. They check all the boxes for me within meme coins. So these are cryptos that I'm going to be following very, very closely if we do hit our stride and reach another bull cycle coming very, very shortly. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about these plays? Are you in any of these meme coins? Solana meme coins are super fun, super risky, and super volatile, but they do have a lot of gains from time to time. And these are 2 of the top plays that I have right now currently in the market. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. As always, please remember, none of this is financial advice, just sharing with you guys my financial journey within crypto. I hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy the rest of the day. More content coming. Make sure you subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.